All right, so we are going to continue working on drawing 5-1. Previous drawing we did was the front view. So we are going to try to get the side view and the top view done today. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to offset this line right at the end of the object to the right, and then the one right at the top of the object up. So I'm going to go to my construction layer. I'm going to click on offset. I'm going to offset. I'm going to go 1.5, enter. This is a smaller drawing, so it is a fair amount of space between, so you can go 1, but I always go 1.5, or usually go 1.5. So, and then right-click, enter. Let's draw our 45-degree line from here. So I'm going to go to line. I'm going to click on this intersection, draw a line up, and I'm going to go farther than what we need because then we can trim it later. I'm going to hit tab and 45, enter. Right-click, enter. So now when we get all our vertical lines in here, they will come up to here, and wherever they intersect this 45-degree line, we will make horizontal lines. All right, let's go ahead and start putting in our vertical lines. We have all of the horizontal lines we need in here from this drawing, so we can just put in our vertical lines and play connect the dots. So let's go ahead, and we're still in the construction layer. We're going to click on offset. And let's offset 0.75. 0.75. That'll give us the center of this larger circle here. So click on this line and go to the right. Make sure you go to the right, not to the left. Right click, enter. And then I guess we could have just gone another 0.75. So right click, repeat offset, enter because I'm going the same distance, and offset this center line we just made to the right, 0.75. Now we need to get both of these lines here for the hole that goes through. And so we're going to right click, enter, right click, repeat offset. And we're going to go half of 0.75. So half of 0.75 is 0.375. So 0.375, enter. I'm going to click on this center line, click to the right, click on this center line, click to the left, right click, enter. Now we have to get this little part that extends out. Kind of looks like a panhandle. So I'm going to offset this line here, the farthest right line, in 0.6. So right click, repeat offset, 0.6, enter. And I'm going to offset that line over to there. Right click, enter. And then I'm going to offset again. I'm going to go 0.3, enter. Right click, enter. All right, so I'm going to draw some of these lines because I'm getting a lot of lines in here. I don't want to get too confused. So I'm going to go to the object layer. I'm going to click on line. And I'm just going to come to the top here. This intersection here, I'm going to go down as far as the bottom is here. And then over to the far side here, up there, and then back to there. Right click, enter. And now let's go to the center layer. We're going to click on line, and this one here. Oh, no, I didn't want that intersection. Repeat line. This one here all the way down to there is our center line. And then let's go to our hidden layer. And we're going to go to line. And we're going to draw a line from this intersection to this intersection. Right click, enter, right click, repeat line. And so we got a bunch of lines over here, but this is the line, the farthest to the right is the one we want to select. And I will pause for a second to let you guys get caught up. All right, so now we have more of our drawing drawn here. I am going to draw some more lines. So let's go to our object layer. And I'm going to go to this line. I'm going to go to line, so draw a line. This line that we offset over here. Oh, I think I messed up. I think this hidden line should be over here. Anyhow, I'm going to draw a line from down to here and over to here, right click, enter. And then I want to measure something just to see how far is it from here to there. Oh, that's too far. That's the wrong line. So let's go to our hidden line layer. And we got too many lines in, and that confused me, which is okay. That happens. And then we go to line, and that is where I want my hidden lines for this hole here. And then if I go back to dimension, yes, so 0.375, 0.375. All right. So this is the center line of the hole going through the panhandle here. So I'm going to put a center line there just so it's a little bit easier for me. And then let's go ahead and go to the construction layer, go to offset, and I'm going to offset half of 0.25, which would be 0.125. Enter. Click on the center line there, and we're going to go to the right and to the left. Right click, enter. And then we can do hidden lines, hidden lines. So let's go to our hidden layer. I'm going to click on line, click right here, enter, repeat line, and right here. So we just have one more thing to do. We have this hole through, so we need to draw that right here. So this is the center of the hole, this is the top, this is the bottom. But I want to offset this line out, that line out, so our center line can extend past our object. So I'm going to go to construction layer. I'm going to go to offset. And for this one, I've been offsetting 0.125 just because it's a smaller drawing. Just so it doesn't get too far away from my object. So that one there, right click, enter. And then let's go to the center layer. We'll set construction, center layer. We're going to go to line, click on this point here, and this is the center of this hole that goes all the way through. So now I need hidden lines, and then this drawing should be done, or at least the right-hand view. I'm going to go to my hidden layer. I'm going to go to line, and draw those hidden lines, repeat line, this intersection. So now you're starting to see how the construction lines make it a little bit easier, because you could just line everything up with the drawing that you previously made and make sure everything lines up. So that is the right hand view. We'll take a break and start working on the top view, which is going to be up here.